Today we're featuring a 2015 GMC Terrain Denali. It's carbon black metallic. It's got 49,000 miles on it. I'll go ahead and walk around the vehicle with you, because it does have the chrome side mirrors, chrome handles. It is equipped with a power sunroof. It does have the backup camera, rear park assist. Make our way down the passenger side of the vehicle. It does have the blind spot monitoring system. Exterior of this Terrain is in good shape. Let's go ahead and take a look on the inside. Black on black door panels, nice wood grain trim, power locks, power windows, power mirrors, Pioneer audio. Alright, it does have the WeatherTech black floor mats. Right, memory seats, black leather, power driver seat, perforated insert, nice red stitching. It does come with a keyless entry key fob with remote start. Okay, I'll go ahead and pan out and give you a shot of the sunroof here. Alright, passenger seat black leather. It is an automatic. Got your heated seats, navigation, backup camera. Alright, it's all going to be on the display screen here, and I'll show you that in a second. It's got your leather wood wheel, Bluetooth, steering wheel audio. It also has your collision alert and lane departure. Let's go ahead and take a look at the mileage. Okay, it's got 48,999 miles on it. Now that we got it started up, I'll go ahead and show you your home screen. All right, we'll go ahead and activate the navigation. All right, and your backup camera. All right. Let's go ahead and take a look in the back seat. It's got the WeatherTech liner back here in the back too. Nice convenient power outlet there. Black leather seats back here, and they look to be in really good shape. Cup holders that come down out of the seat there. Let me go ahead and give you the driver's eye view, the dash and the layout. One more thing I wanted to show you before we look in the back is it does have the power lift gate. Alright. And to engage the lift gate, simply press that button. It's nice and smooth coming up. It does have the WeatherTech mat back here in the back. Alright, a ton of room back here. It does have another convenient power outlet, and then to engage the lift gate again to close, simply press that button there, and as you can see, nice and smooth coming down. Let's take a look at the wheels and tires. See, we've got 19-inch chrome clad aluminum. Okay, it's kind of like a cap on those wheels there. Tires are in good shape, still plenty of tread left on them. Alright, once again, it's a 2015 GMC Terrain Denali, 49,000 miles on it. Alright, it's got all the bells and whistles, well taken care of, inside and out. Come down, check it out, take a test drive, and thanks for watching the video.